Ayun, what's up mga chong? Panibagong video na naman tayo. And syempre, since we just got our Breville Barista Pro, syempre dahil coffee is life, kumuha tayo ng mga coffee accessories for our coffee machine. And yun, these are very simple must-have coffee accessories. So basically, WD tool, pack screen, and of course, kailangan natin ng weighing scale. So tara, unbox natin to. Ayan, so these are basically cheap items which I've got from Amazon. So let's try to unbox this one first. Let's see kung ano to. So this is the weighing scale. So ang kinuha muna natin since limited yung budget natin is yung cheap products lang. Okay. So this was from forgot. I think this is just generic, but actually I got it from Neopresso. Parang ganon yung ating pinagkuhanan nito. But basically from Amazon din. So it requires AAA. But I think rechargeable din to. So meron siyang kasamang rubber mat. I think para hindi siya mabasa or hindi mag-slip. Tingnan natin. So it came with a manual, of course. So ayan. So dun siya. Kasamang USB. So I'm not sure bakit may kasamang battery. Pero alam ko rechargeable din to eh. Pero sabi dito is AAA. So hindi siya rechargeable. Ayan. So ito yung ating weighing scale. Now, the other one is ito yung WD tool. Siyempre para yung coffee distribution is equal or maganda yung coffee distribution. Kailangan natin ng WD tool. Neoza. Yung pala yung pangalan nung Amazon store na pinagkuhanan natin. So cheap din to. Ito yung WD tool. So I think replacement to. So yun. Wala siyang lalagyan. Kasi nga I think I got this for $15 lang. So natin. Ayan. So ganun lang siya. So actually pwede kayong mag-DIY nito. So nakaganon lang siya. Okay, so yun yung WD tool. And yung kasunod is pack screen. So again, these are for distribution para maganda yung distribution ng coffee. So ito, medyo napamahal ako kasi supposedly $15 lang siya. Kaya lang, by mistake, I bought two. Ayan. So, ito yung coffee distribution tool. Pack screen. So, this is needed para malinis yung ating shower head. Pero para na rin equal yung distribution ng coffee. So maganda siya kasi may lalagyan. So for keeping. So, pero metal to actually. I think aluminum. So, ang pangit lang dito sa review na nakita natin dito is madali siyang ma-deform. So, yan. Basically, guys, coffee, pack screen, WD tool, okay? And, of course, weighing scale. So, yun guys. Until my next video. Thank you.